out with Honey Truck Honey here, and today I'm going to show you how to make a kids-friendly St. Paddy's Day punch.
First, we'll need to gather our ingredients. You'll need Sprite, pineapple juice, Kool-Aid, gold sugar, and of course, Honey Truck Honey. Start off by making a simple syrup. It's equal parts water and honey. Heat the mixture enough to dissolve the honey, and then you can set it aside. Next, you'll grab your pitcher and add some ice. Then you can add your Sprite, your pineapple juice, and then your Kool-Aid.
Now, I'm going to pause the video here because as you can tell by this screen grab, the Kool-Aid that I poured in is red and not green. The recipe calls for lemon lime Kool-Aid, but when I went to the store they didn't have any. So I figured that the fruit punch would be a great flavor profile that would go well with the Sprite and the pineapple juice, but I didn't figure on it being red. So, me being me, loving all things Halloween, decided to make leprechaun blood punch.
So to get back to making our drink, you're going to want to dip the rim of your glass in the simple syrup. Then, you'll take your gold sugar, pour it onto a plate, and dip your rim in the sugar. This will give your glass the golden look you're looking for. Then you just gotta pour in your leprechaun's blood and serve. This drink is guaranteed to be a crowd pleaser this St. Paddy's Day, so head on over to honeytruck.com to grab the full recipe.